In this video, I am going to show how to delete previous Windows installation safely from Windows 11. Let's get started. I am going to delete this folder Windows.old. Open System Settings. Now search for Storage and then select Delete Temporary Files. Okay. Now mark this previous Windows installation and delivery optimization files, Windows upgrade log files, thumbnails, and so on. Okay. Now click on this remove files button. Continue. Okay, temporary files has been deleted. Okay, now go to C drive and you will see Windows.old folder has been deleted safely. If you like this video, like, comment and share. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel to support us. Thank you so much for watching this video.